The app only supports barcode scanners that send data to the computer as if it were typed on a keyboard. This means that scanned barcode data is entered into the app's text input field just like it would be with manual typing. Many barcode scanners are designed to work in keyboard wedge mode or USB keyboard mode. This mode allows the scanner to emulate a keyboard, so when a barcode is scanned, the scanner sends the decoded data as a sequence of keystrokes. Barcode scanner language settings are crucial for correct data input, especially when using scanners with different keyboard layouts or in multilingual environments. These settings ensure the scanner sends keystrokes corresponding to the correct characters on your computer's keyboard layout. After setting up the barcode scanner, you must assign barcodes to your products. In the Products menu, when editing a product, click on the barcode field to enter the product's barcode with the barcode scanner. When issuing an invoice, you can activate the barcode scanner by clicking on the barcode button. Method number 1. 1. Scan the barcodes using the barcode scanner. 2. Enter the quantity. 3. Click the Add button. Method number 2. 1. Scan the barcodes using the barcode scanner. 2. Automatically adds the scanned product to the invoice. To use this feature, enable the Auto Add option. For the Auto Add option to function correctly, you need to set the barcode scanner to add the tab character as a suffix to the scanned barcode. This setting may vary depending on the barcode scanner, but the barcodes used to configure the scanner's functions are typically listed in the user manual. If the barcode scanner reads an incorrect or unassigned barcode, the app shows a warning message and sounds an alert to notify you. Before buying a barcode scanner, verify that the model supports either keyboard wedge or USB keyboard mode. For setup instructions, please contact the store where you purchased the barcode scanner and refer to the user manual.